Imagine a black hole sitting quietly in the middle of space. Dark, mysterious, silent. Now imagine it remembers every star, every planet, every astronaut it's ever devoured, and one day it decides to talk. Yeah? Creepy thought, right? But let's ask the real question. What if black holes could actually remember everything they swallowed? All right, first, what is a black hole? Think of it as the ultimate cosmic shredder. It forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity. The gravity becomes so strong that not even light can escape. Everything that crosses its event horizon, gone. Stars, dust, maybe even unlucky spaceships, all crushed into something scientists call a singularity, a point so dense our physics just gives up. But here's the twist. According to Einstein's theory, information like matter, energy, or data can't be destroyed. So when a black hole eats something, where does all that information go? Does it vanish forever? Or is the black hole secretly keeping it like the universe's biggest hard drive? Now let's enter our imaginary world, one where black holes do remember. Imagine each black hole as a cosmic librarian, keeping perfect records of everything it's ever eaten. 1,000,000 years ago, it swallowed a star. Logged it? A few centuries back, an alien ship got too close. Saved that too. And one day, if you could somehow decode its memory, you could literally replay the past. Watch entire galaxies being born, see civilizations rise and vanish, and maybe even witness moments the universe itself has forgotten. Sounds awesome, right? Except there's a small problem. How do you read a black hole's mind without getting instantly crushed by it? Scientists have actually wrestled with this question for decades. It's called the black hole information paradox. Stephen Hawking once thought black holes destroyed information. Poof, gone forever. But later, he changed his mind. He suggested that maybe, just maybe, information is stored on the surface of the black hole on its event horizon, kind of like data engraved on a cosmic DVD. So in our what-if world, each ripple, each flicker of light escaping from the edge would be a message, a clue, a black hole whispering its secrets through radiation. If we could translate that code, we'd suddenly have access to the archives of the universe. We could reconstruct entire worlds, find the chemical recipe of long-dead stars, or even recover lost civilizations. Imagine finding proof of ancient life, not buried in fossils, but inside a black hole's memory. But here's where things get wild. If a black hole can remember everything it's eaten, does that mean it has a consciousness? Could it be aware? Could it be thinking about what it's done? Okay, maybe not thinking like humans do. But imagine billions of data points swirling around inside, forming patterns, logic, maybe even personality. A black hole that's seen the birth and death of galaxies would have stories no one else could tell. It would be the oldest, most powerful historian in existence, a cosmic storyteller waiting for someone to listen. And here's the ultimate twist. What if we are part of its memory? What if every atom of your body, every molecule you've ever touched, was once inside another world, long ago swallowed and remembered by a black hole, then recycled into? That would mean the universe really does remember through us. So what if black holes could remember everything they swallowed? Maybe they already do. Maybe every flash of light in the night sky is a whisper from one of those cosmic librarians, telling the story of everything that ever was and will be. If you enjoyed diving into this mind-bending idea, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wild what-if journeys. Because the universe is full of questions, and we're just getting started.